Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new AirPods Pro 2 and the ever-popular Sony XM5. These earbuds promise to revolutionize how we experience sound, whether it's through top-tier noise cancellation, crystal-clear audio, or seamless convenience. Sony's XM5 claims to offer the ultimate listening experience with cutting-edge noise cancellation, high-resolution audio, and long battery life. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 pride themselves on their effortless integration with the Apple ecosystem, adaptive audio features, and a compact design that fits almost any lifestyle. But how do they stack up against each other? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two earbuds and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design. The Sony XM5 is a major improvement over its predecessor, with a smaller and more ergonomic shape. These earbuds feature a lightweight design and memory foam ear tips that mold to your ears, providing a secure fit and better passive noise isolation. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 retain Apple's signature design, with a stem for easier handling and a universal fit that appeals to most users. Their silicone ear tips are sweat-resistant and great for workouts, but they don't quite match Sony's memory foam for long-term comfort. Sony's buds are sleek and unobtrusive, while the AirPods Pro 2 are slightly more noticeable but iconic. So if you value long-term comfort and noise isolation, Sony is the better choice. But for a design that's instantly recognizable and great for physical activity, the AirPods Pro 2 takes the edge. When it comes to controls, both earbuds offer unique solutions. Sony's touch-sensitive controls are simple to use, letting you tap to play, pause, or skip tracks. A notable addition is the ability to control volume directly on the buds, which was missing in previous generations. On the other hand, Apple opts for squeeze gestures on the AirPods Pro 2's stems, with intuitive swipe gestures to adjust volume. In real-world use, Apple's stem controls feel more precise in situations like workouts where touch controls can be finicky. Both earbuds feature auto pause when removed, but Sony's implementation works universally across devices, while Apple's magic shines brightest within the Apple ecosystem. Voice Assistant support is another factor. Sony offers Alexa and Google Assistant integration on Android, while Apple sticks with Siri. So, in terms of controls, Apple's intuitive controls and seamless integration with iOS give it the edge. But Sony's flexibility across platforms shouldn't be overlooked. Moving on to the software features. Sony's Headphones Connect app is a powerhouse of customization. You can tweak the EQ to suit your preferences, enable adaptive sound control to automatically adjust ANC based on your location, or even activate speak-to-chat for hands-free conversations. On the other hand, Apple leans heavily into simplicity and ecosystem integration. The AirPods Pro 2's settings are baked right into iOS, offering features like adaptive transparency, which dynamically reduces loud environmental sounds without completely muting your surroundings. Both earbuds support spatial audio, but Apple's implementation within its ecosystem feels smoother and more intuitive. Sony's app provides more control for those who love fine-tuning, but Apple's seamless approach makes it incredibly user-friendly for everyday use. If you're an audiophile who loves to customize every aspect, Sony is the clear winner. But for those who value simplicity and ecosystem synergy, Apple edges ahead. Battery life is a crucial factor for any wireless earbuds, and Sony dominates with active noise cancellation on the Sony XM5 offers an impressive 9 hours and 32 minutes of playback on a single charge, almost doubling the AirPods Pro 2's 5 hours and 43 minutes. The Sony charging case adds 16 extra hours, bringing the total to 25 hours. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2's case extends playback by 24 hours, but it still falls short of Sony's total endurance. Both cases support wireless charging, but Apple's MagSafe compatibility makes charging more convenient for iPhone users. Quick charging is another area where Sony shines, delivering an hour of playback in just 3 minutes of charging. Apple's Quick Charge feature offers similar results but takes a bit longer. For anyone who values all-day listening without frequent charging, Sony is the winner here, offering unparalleled battery life and fast charging convenience. Finally, let's talk about sound quality. Sony is renowned for its audio expertise, and the Sony XM5 lives up to that reputation. With support for high-resolution audio and LDAC, it offers incredible clarity and depth, especially for Android users. The customizable EQ in Sony's app allows you to fine-tune your audio experience, making it ideal for audiophiles. On the other hand, Apple's AirPods Pro 2 is lacking an adjustable EQ, deliver a more balanced sound profile out of the box. The adaptive EQ dynamically adjusts the sound to suit your ear shape, providing a consistently enjoyable listening experience. Both earbuds support spatial audio, but Apple's implementation feels more integrated within its ecosystem. If you're after pure audio quality and love tinkering with settings, Sony takes the win. But for those who prefer a no-fuss, balanced sound with excellent integration, Apple AirPods Pro 2 is the better choice. As for my conclusion, if you're an Android user or an audiophile looking for unbeatable battery life, superior noise cancellation, and endless customization, the Sony XM5 is the obvious choice. But if you're an iPhone user who values seamless ecosystem integration, intuitive controls, and excellent accessibility features, the AirPods Pro 2 are hard to beat. Both are exceptional, but your choice should reflect your priorities and lifestyle. So which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments below.